Recording.
Azimuth calculations, take 2. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to complete the azimuth calculations. Now this is a very simple and straightforward task. Now note that again we are going to use our given information. So this is approximately how our traverse looks like, and we are given by our professor 100 degrees as our starting azimuth. What that means is this point right here, that being north, this is approximately 100 degrees right there. That's what that means. So, this is the main formula that we are going to use, and I will explain it to you. Azimuth A to B is equivalent to your previous azimuth minus 180 degrees plus the adjusted angle at the point you are taking your azimuth at. So, how do we use this? Well, I'll tell you right now. So, this is what we have right here. 452 to 351 is 100 degrees. That's what this means. This is what I explained earlier. This right here is 100 degrees. Now, 351 to 252, well, that's this angle right here, but I will show you how to calculate that. So let me draw in that little arrow again. That is our north facing. That is the angle right here. Now let's say that's a 90 degrees angle right there. So this is going to be greater, much greater than 90 degrees, even far greater than our previous one. As you can see, this one is about 10 degrees there. And it makes sense. 149 degrees. That looks about 149 degrees. So let's use it. So what this means, A to B, is your points to the next point. So the point at to your next point. So in this case, it is 351 to 252. And that is equal to your previous azimuth, which is your previous azimuth right here of 100. So let's write that in. 100 minus 180. That is always constant. Plus the adjusted angle at 351. The adjusted angle at 351 is 229 degrees, 19 minutes, 33.8 seconds. Once you sum all of this up, you will be given with this value right here, or at least this is the value that I received. Now moving down, you will complete this for each one, and the next step would be to do the same points. This is now your previous azimuth for your next point, and once you work your way down, you will get it. Now, there are special cases. When your final result is greater than 360 degrees, you must subtract 360 degrees, and that is why I skipped to the last step. So that is this point right here, back to the original. So the previous azimuth of this point, is this right here, 303 degrees. Subtracting 180 degrees, plus the adjusted angle at this point, which is 270, right here, minus 360, because if you do not minus 360, this angle right here is going to be much greater, and it makes sense if you look at it. You add these two together, that's going to be well over 500. And even if you subtract it, it's going to be around 400. That's why we have to subtract the 360 degrees to get this value right here. And that makes sense because, again, if we draw in our little north arrow, that is approximately north, that says that this angle right here is approximately 33 degrees. Now that is how you complete the azimuth calculations for your traverse.